Welcome to a new video, everybody. Today we're going to be changing out the stock halogen license plate lights on the Hyundai Santa Cruz for some nice super bright white LED lights. These are a T10 replacement light. I think you'll more commonly see them referred to as T10 or 194 replacements. So we'll go ahead and get the old ones out of there and get these nice new ones installed. Alrighty, and here is what those stock lights look like while they're on. It's that kind of dingy orange color. I don't really prefer it, so we're gonna go ahead and just pop open these little housings. You can do that by just kind of pulling back on here, and then we're gonna insert a detailing tool to kind of pop that open. You can go under the bumper and through there, but you kind of got to have small hands to be able to get to these connectors. So let me go ahead and get my tool and we'll get these off there. Okay, so all we really need is just a little wedge. You should be able to use it for some leverage in there. You're just gonna pull back on the light housing and then work your tool in kind of towards the middle. And then you should just be able to pull it kind of right out. Work the tool over on that side, and then you'll see, I can get it this angle. There's two little teeth, one here and one there, and then this big tooth right here that's actually part of the bumper. So once you've got that out, then, and actually this is something I haven't seen before, but there's like a little guard right here for this connector. You're gonna go ahead and disconnect it. It has four little pieces that come off there, and that'll just slide right off. Then you should be able to remove the connector from the light housing, and then I'm gonna pull the light out. You're just gonna turn that and your light pops right out. And then to get the light bulb out, you should just be able to pull straight on out. And then for the install of the new light, we're just going to reverse that whole process. Make sure the light is seated in there good. Go ahead and put that back into the light housing. You want to make sure that your connector is pointing towards this long side here. Then we're going to reconnect and put our little strange guard thing back on. I guess that's to make sure that none of these connectors get loose, although I don't think I've ever seen that happen before. But that's all right. That'd be safe than sorry. And then you're gonna kind of put this back end in first, and then push where those little teeth are, and you should hear them just pop right back into place. Alrighty, and just like that, in a few minutes time, you can change out these lights for really whatever you want. I've seen people even do like blue and red, although I think in most places, if you're gonna be on the road, that is illegal. So make sure you're either doing like amber or that halogen, or a crisp white, kind of like this. I can already tell these are way brighter even in the daytime, but we'll come back at night and see what these look like. Alrighty, and here's what the lights look like at night, all lit up. As you can see, they are quite a bit brighter now. Thanks so much for stopping by and checking out the video. If you guys have any questions about the install or about the lights, let me know in the comments. I'll be leaving a link in the description down below if you want to go ahead and pick some of these lights up for your car. Again, thanks so much for stopping by and checking out the video, and I hope to see you in my next one.